Hey there, folks. This is Randy Wild Horse, and I got something in my spam comments, and I'll show you what it is. It's likely spam. It's SocialBounty Money Making App. I see you scrolling through the comments. Let's be friends. Let's see what it's about. There it is. 11,700 subscribers. Okay. One video. Make $500 today. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. Block the user. Channel comments. And I'll report it. I got rid of the SocialBounty Make Money app because I know it is spam and a scam, and I don't want that. So be safe out there. Don't trust them. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. So it's Randy Wild Horse. Have a great day.